In this segment, we'll show you how to mount your new Alert Indoor Security Camera. The Alert Indoor Security Camera is designed to be freestanding and doesn't require you to drill holes. You can simply set it on a flat surface or mount it more securely if you desire. As a general rule, the closer your camera is to your router, the better the wireless connection quality. With the camera at its intended location, try viewing live video with the Swann Security app. If you don't experience any issues, you found a suitable location. If you've experienced issues, consider a location closer to your router or install a Wi-Fi range extender. To mount the camera, secure the mounting template to your preferred location. If mounting on drywall, brick, or masonry, drill two 6mm or 1/4-inch holes in the locations marked on the template. Then tap the included wall anchors in. Now, for either installation, secure the provided screws. Leave a 1/4 inch of the threads exposed. Then align the base with the mounting screws and slide it down to secure it in place. Now, while watching the camera via the Swann Security app, adjust the camera to the best frame of view. Congratulations! Your Swann Smart Indoor Security Camera is now fully set up and ready to use. Take some time to go through the owner's manual and learn about the many other great features this system has to offer. A more detailed user's manual can be found on swann.com in the download section of this product's page. Or go to support.swann.com and search for Swann Security to find the Swann Security app manual. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are, 24/7, with a camera that's been designed to provide high-definition video combined with easy connection to Wi-Fi. With connection to the Swann Security app, you can combine the camera with all your Swann Security devices that work with the Swann Security app. It's security made smarter from Swann.